I just want you to focus. Pull me in, pull me closer. Give me that diagnosis.
Hi my beautiful family, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, welcome. You can join the fam by subscribing to my channel. So today I am doing an unboxing video for a few items I picked up from Juvia's place on Black Friday. So keep watching if you are interested. The first item that I got that I'm super excited for is the coffee shop eyeshadow palette. So I've seen a bunch of people on Instagram and even on YouTube with this eyeshadow palette, and it looks really nice, so I knew I had to get it for myself. So this palette is an extension of their chocolates palette, so it comes with a lot of nudes and brown tone colors for the perfect everyday look. So this palette, if you are a beginner or if you're even more advanced and you want the perfect nudes and brown tones for your skin, this is a palette that you need to get. So this is the package that it came in. So I'm just gonna open this up on camera. So this is gonna be an honest first impression. This is the palette. So I really do like the shimmery looking colors already. Like, they're so subtle and so pretty. So like I said, the palette comes with a lot of like different brown colors and nudes. It does come with several shimmery colors that you can use to like brighten and make your makeup pop more. So I will swatch the colors so you guys can see how it looks on my skin tone for reference. I also picked up another eyeshadow palette. This one is a lot more colorful than the last one. So this one is the Culture palette. So this is the packaging that it came in. It's so very colorful. So for this one, this has blues and purples and orange and yellows. So this is the palette. As you can see, this one is a lot bigger than the other one. This one has 30 different eyeshadow. And for this one, they actually have each eyeshadow has a name. So I do love when they name the different colors. I don't know, because I feel like it's easier when I'm watching other people's tutorials. I can just say the name of the color I'm using or that they're using. So if I have that palette as well, it makes it easier to match the color. So yep, this is this one. I really love how it has pinks. I love green eyeshadow. I truly am a big fan. They do have several different shades of green. They have like the shimmery ones and matte, so I like that a lot. Also does come with some gold tones as well, but I am really looking forward to using this palette. If you guys don't know, makeup does expire, and a lot of the palettes I have are really old, so I need to start getting rid of them. So I do need to start buying more eyeshadow palettes. So this one, it's 24 months till this one expires, so that is 2 years from when I first opened it, so like from today. But that's also another reason why I'm starting to like try and buy more eyeshadow palettes, because I am starting to reach the expiration date on the ones I already do own. All right, for other things I got, I also got a new foundation, because if you guys watched my last video, that foundation I have is no longer my color, because that's more my summer color and it's approaching winter here. So this is their I Am Magic foundation. It is full coverage. This is in the color Aqua, which is 330. So I do believe this one is supposed to be in their section dark with cool olive undertones. So if you want to figure out what your undertones is, I definitely have a video. I will link it in the description box and link it up here somewhere so you guys can watch that to figure out what your undertones are if you aren't sure. So this is the first time I am opening this. I haven't used it yet. But I am going to do a swatch test on my face to see if it is truly my color, because I just kind of guessed when I was ordering it online. So I'm just getting a little on my finger. I'm going to put it more on my cheek. So this is what it looks like before I blend it out. I feel like that doesn't look too bad. So let's try blending that out more. I feel like I put too much on my finger. So I actually do think this is a pretty good match. Maybe I could have gone like a shade darker, but I do think this actually is not a bad color. I would have to see once I do like a full makeup, but just from like testing it out here, so like this is an area I just put the foundation on. Let me know what you guys think. You guys think that this is a match or not? Because I do think this isn't a bad, it's not, yeah, I don't think it's bad. I think this is actually pretty good in terms of my complexion, but I feel like because I didn't apply too much, it's kind of hard to see. But it is full coverage. I do like that fact about it, and a little does go a long way. Like you saw how much I have my finger. I didn't think that was a lot, but it covered a good section of my face. So you don't need to use a lot with this because it is a small bottle, but that's because you don't need to put too much on at one time. And then the last thing that I did pick up was a setting powder. So this is also called the I Am Magic setting powder. I got the color Kalahari. So with looking at the website, they said this color is good for people with fair to medium skin tone, and I don't think I have super duper dark skin. I also don't think I'm very light either, like I'm not. So I got this one because it said medium, and I feel like I'm in that medium to dark section. So I'm just gonna open this up and have a look at it. I might include a video of me using it to see how it looks on me once I do my makeup. On the website also said this is a good color to use as like a banana powder, which is my intention for it. So this is what the color looks like. It kind of is very yellowy, but we'll see how it looks when I try it out. I will insert a clip of me using it so you guys have a reference. So this is me testing out the setting powder. I did use translucent powder underneath my eyes before using the setting powder because, like I said, I'm using this more as a banana powder than just a setting powder. I personally didn't really notice a significant difference with using this afterwards. Maybe I needed to apply a little bit more than I did because I wasn't getting a lot with the beauty blender. So maybe using something different to pick up the product and applying more will give me more of the result that I am looking for, which is a more brightened under eye look. So those are just the items that I picked up. I didn't get a lot of things just because makeup is expensive, and I just spent a lot of money buying Christmas present on Black Friday as well. But I wanted a few items either because I was running out in terms of like the foundation. I was running out and I need a new shade, and I did need new eyeshadows. But I hope you guys like this video. If you like these type of videos, make sure to give this a thumbs up and leave me a comment letting me know. If you guys want me to do more unboxing videos, let me know. I don't do them as often just because I don't usually buy a lot of things at once. I buy individual things at a time, like over a longer period of time. But if you guys want more unboxing videos, I can definitely keep that in mind and do more of them. As always, thank you guys so much for watching. I appreciate it from the bottom of my heart. If you haven't already subscribed, what are you waiting for? Go ahead, hit that subscribe button, join the fam, and also you'll be notified the next time that I do post. Thank you guys, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.
Just focus on my